Welcome to CondoLogie.
I'm CondoBot. We are getting there. In this video we will continue to reset or change the year of administration. I can tell you that the summary is seriously showing crazy because we are in the process of setting this transfer to zero. We have to place all the amounts because we want to start a new year with the CondoLogie application. So, we will still have to do a final check on the budget amounts for each of the budget items. There are also perhaps, as I have already mentioned, services that will be added. It is a question of really carrying out the final analysis of each of the budget items to ensure that the budget is complete. To reset, we go to the register of condominium. In fact, I took a little lead and then quite simply, I carried out an operation to modify the start of the administration year, and like that I placed the date at 2024. I made the same thing for the end of the administration year. By doing this, all balances are set to zero. Then from that, at the level of complaints, we do not have to zero out. At the level of the board either, it is a continuity. The register of entrepreneurs is also a continuity. Our entrepreneurs are always there. On the other hand, in terms of the register of syndicate, it's a bit the same thing. In fact, I adjusted the start and end dates, and at that moment, all the union files returned to zero. We can see that the year of administration is still 2023. We are going to do it together. We are going to say year of administration. We are at 2024. We are doing, apply, that's it. So, we can say that the CondoLogie application has changed over the years of administration. What remains for us to do is to follow within the procedure. The steps that we have already done when we in our first year of administration, that means aligning your contingency fund, confirming our budget. That means ensuring that each item in the budget is up to date and well adapted, that the amounts correspond to the reality of our condominium. The description of the condominium. We will calculate the cost of maintaining the common areas to be able to have in the condominium register the correct contributions to send to our co-owners. Therefore, we consider that the change of year of administration in CondoLogie is complete. Now let's take a quick tour inside the application, but at the summary level. We will be able to see that there are already amounts that have been adjusted because we have completed the description of the condominium. If we go a little further down, we see that our cash amounts have also changed, but that everything else has returned to zero. If we go a little further down, we can see that the contributions here, the budget amount, everything is completely adjusted, the rest is completely zero like the amount in hand. So, we're really starting again with the CondoLogie application. Here we see all the transactions. The contributions that have been paid or to be paid. If we go to the very bottom, we can see that all the syndicates are at zero. Okay, so as we said earlier, there is continuity at the level of entrepreneurs. We see that they are there. It is always possible to add more if necessary to do research. We are ready for a new year.